Hello everyone, welcome to your science class. So let's start with our first chapter of class 6. Where does our food come from? So, खाना कहाँ से आता है? So in this lesson we are going to talk about where do we get food from. So in this video we are going to discuss two topics of this chapter, that is introduction and sources of food. So let's start with our introduction part. So what is food? Food is a very common term for each of us. Anything that organisms eat or drink for their survival, right? So food is required for the survival of the entire population. So there comes a basic question, why do we even need food? Why do we need food? Yes, we need food because food gives us energy, and that energy comes from the nutrients present in the food. Now, what are nutrients? Nutrients are the substances that provide nourishment needed for growth and maintenance of life. So, growth and development is taking place within your body, right? You all know that. Suppose by taking an example of, you all were in class 5 last year. Now you all are in class 6. Okay. So you are quite grown up now. You have become more intelligent, more mature. As you are growing, growth and development is taking place. So nutrients provide that energy that are required for growth and development of body. So why do we need food? To get energy, for growth and development, to fight against diseases, to regulate all body functions, for repair and maintenance of body. It makes our bones and muscles strong. It keeps our body fit or healthy or active, you can say. So let's come to the next topic, food variety. So we eat fruits and vegetables, different types of fruits, different types of vegetables. So there are huge variety of food. For example, you all know that idli sambar or sambar dosa is famous in southern region. Roti, rice, curries is famous in northern region, or you can say dhokla is famous in Gujarat, right? So it depends on the location. You might have different varieties of food. Now the question is, why do we need variety? Why do we even need variety? Imagine eating one kind of food for the whole life. Won't you get bored? Of course you will get bored. My favorite food is rajma chawal. If I eat rajma chawal on a daily basis, even I will get bored, right? Okay, plus one more reason, health. Yes, children, health. If you are eating one single food throughout your life, for example, dal chawal, what you are getting? If you are eating dal chawal on a daily basis, throughout your life, okay, what you are getting? Only two nutrients, that is carbohydrates and proteins. Carbohydrates from rice and proteins from dal. But what about other nutrients? That is vitamins, minerals, fats. What about these? These nutrients are also important for our body. If you don't get these nutrients, then you will not grow properly, right? You will suffer from many diseases. That's why we need variety of food. Okay, now next come to the topic, sources of food. From where do we get food? From where do we get the food that we eat? Some of you say that, ma'am, my mom prepared for me, or I ordered from Zomato, I ordered from Swiggy, I ordered from Food Panda. क्या ये real sources हैं आपके food के? No. The most obvious sources of foods are plants and animals. Okay, plants and animals are the two main sources of food. So let us see that food obtained from plants. Which part of a plant do we eat? You can also eat stem, you can eat flower, you can eat seeds, you can eat roots, right? So different parts of the plant you can eat, right? Let's see the parts of the plant that are eaten as foods. That are eaten as food. First is seeds. We use seeds of many plants as food. We use them as cereals, pulses, spices and nuts. Cereals like rice, wheat, maize. They are also seeds. They are not like other plants. These plants look like grasses. Even cooking oils are obtained from seeds of some plants. Okay, roots, radish, turnip, carrot, beetroot are some of the roots that are eaten as vegetables. Stem, potato and ginger are the stem that are eaten as vegetables. Yes, potato is the stem of the plant. Yeah, it's hard to believe, I know that. But if you are able to observe a potato plant, it is under the ground. So potato is a special case. It is an underground stem and it is also called bulb. Okay? Bulbs भी बोलते हैं हम. Leaves, spinach, cabbage, lettuce, these are the leaves eaten as vegetables. Flowers, broccoli, cauliflower are the flowers eaten in the form of vegetables. Fruits. Fruits are a healthy source of food from plants. Orange, mango, apple, grapes are some of the fruits consumed by humans. Now, one important point that from some plants we can eat just one part, whereas some plants are versatile. Versatile means they provide more than one part to eat. For example, you can take the example of banana. You can eat stem of banana. You can also eat stem of flower. You can also eat this fruit of a plant. Okay. Fruit of banana. Banana is a fruit, but you can also eat the stem of banana and flower of banana. You can take any other example. For example, mustard, सरसों का साग. तो सरसों का साग तो सब खाते हैं, तो it is used as a leaf also and seed also, सरसों oil. Okay, so some plants we can eat. From some plants we can eat just one part, where some plants are versatile. They provide more than one part. Okay. Now, have you heard the word sprouted seeds? So, what do you mean by sprouted seeds? What are sprouts? Sprouts are edible germinated seeds such as that of moong, gram, chana and peas. Sprouted seeds can be eaten as raw, and sprouts are rich in minerals and vitamins. They are very nutritious. They are very healthy. Now the question is how to make the sprouts. So I'll tell you. You just try it by yourself at your home. Take a bowl of moong seeds or peas or chana, and add some water in good quantity and leave it for overnight. Next day, drain the water completely and wrap in a cloth. Packed it in a cloth and leave it for one day, and another day you will see that magic happens. You see the white tail-like structure. They came up on their own, and now the seeds are sprouted. Okay, so that's how you can make the sprouted seeds. You can eat as a chaat also. You can add chopped onions, tomatoes, lemon juice according to your taste. So they are very nutritious. Okay, and remember that not every seed has a capability to sprout. Now, next, food obtained from animals. Food obtained from animals. So what are the food which obtained from animals? Milk, yes. Meat and eggs, yes. So animal products are used as food directly or indirectly. Milk, eggs and meat are important example of food from animals. Animal products too are a rich source of nutrients, right? And let us have a look at some of the food are obtained from animals. That is, first is milk. Cows, buffalo, sheep, goat and camels are a great source of milk. And milk is also called as an ideal food. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates and fats. Right? So several food products such as paneer, cream, butter, ghee, cheese and curd are made from milk. Next, meat and eggs or eggs and meat. People use meat of goat, sheep, chicken and fish as food. Eggs of hens and ducks are also used as food. Sea animals such as prawns, crabs, they are used as food. So food made from animal products are rich in proteins, fats and certain vitamins and minerals, but they do not contain any fiber and vitamin C. Alright. So egg is also a rich source of protein and vitamin. The yolk of the egg is mostly made up of egg. It also contains vitamins, phosphorus, calcium and iron. Okay. One more food obtained from animals is honey. Yeah, If I ask one question that name an animal product that is sweet, that is called honey. Bees make honey from nectar of flowers. Now, what do you mean by nectar? What is the meaning of nectar? Nectar are the sweet juices of flower. So, bees make honey from nectar of flowers and store it in their honeycombs. Honey is their food. Human beings collect honey and use it as a food. Honey is also rich in sugar and has many useful minerals. It also has medicinal value. Okay, so that's all about today. In next class, we will study food habits of animals. Okay, bye everyone. Take care. Have a nice day.